a date powered by imperial unravelings, cosmic leaps, and comedic wrap-ups guaranteed to dazzle your mind. Hi there, unstoppable curiosity seekers, and welcome. We've assembled 20 epic tales, each so wild you'll wonder if reality took a vacation. If cunning conquests, star-spangled successes, and shocking revelations light your fuse, smash that subscribe button now. Buckle up, because once our time machine kicks off, your notion of normal might just go poof. Number 20. On 14 May 964, Pope John XII died under mysterious circumstances in Rome. Rumors swirled of scandalous behavior, leaving centuries of church chroniclers whispering about the abrupt finale of his turbulent papacy. Number 19. On 14 May 1264, the Battle of Lewes erupted in Sussex, where Simon de Montfort's barons stunned King Henry III, seizing him prisoner and edging England toward early parliamentary reforms. Number 18. On 14 May 1509, the French crushed Venice at the Battle of Agnadello during the War of the League of Cambrai, shaking the Serenissima's dominance and fueling Italian city-states' swirling alliances. Number 17. On 14 May 1607, English settlers landed in Virginia's Jamestown, forging America's first permanent colony. Their starving times, tense Powhatan relations, and tobacco dreams sculpted the future U.S. from swampy adversity. Number 16. On 14 May 1643, a 4-year-old Louis XIV became King of France upon Louis XIII's death. His mom and Cardinal Mazarin juggled power, grooming the future Sun King for global magnificence. Number 15. On 14 May 1796, Dr. Edward Jenner tested his smallpox vaccine on James Phipps, pioneering immunology. Despite doubters, his cowpox-based jab helped eradicate a lethal disease haunting humanity for millennia. Number 14. On 14 May 1804, Lewis and Clark's Corps of Discovery launched from Camp Dubois, navigating the Missouri River in search of a route to the Pacific and rewriting America's frontier map. Number 13. On 14 May 1863, Union forces clashed with Confederates at the Battle of Jackson, Mississippi, severing supply lines to Vicksburg. Ulysses S. Grant's unstoppable momentum soon trapped enemy troops on all sides. Number 12. On 14 May 1879, Chile triumphed at the naval Battle of Iquique, part of the War of the Pacific. Although it started off rocky, Chile's maritime prowess eventually battered Peruvian fleets. Number 11. On 14 May 1900, the second modern Olympic Games kicked off in Paris. Athletes tackled weird events, like live pigeon shooting, fueling controversies and comedic moments that shaped future Olympic reforms. Number 10. On 14 May 1913, the Rockefeller Foundation was chartered in New York. Its philanthropic blueprint poured millions into medical research, education, and global health, though critics questioned the power of such wealth. Number 9. On 14 May 1925, Virginia Woolf released Mrs. Dalloway, whisking readers into a single day's swirl of introspection, social constraints, and Big Ben's chimes, a novel that redefined modernist storytelling. Number 8. On 14 May 1939, Lina Medina of Peru, aged 5, became the youngest confirmed mother in history. Doctors discovered she suffered from precocious puberty, shocking the medical world and inciting headlines. Number 7. On 14 May 1940, the German Luftwaffe bombed Rotterdam, leveling the historic Dutch city center. Its fiery ruins pushed the Netherlands to surrender next day, deepening Europe's swift collapse under Nazi might. Number 6. On 14 May 1948, David Ben-Gurion proclaimed the State of Israel, triggering celebrations and immediate conflict. Neighboring nations invaded, shaping decades of tensions in a region already brimming with historical complexities. Number 5. On 14 May 1955, the Soviet Union forged the Warsaw Pact with its Eastern Bloc allies, rivaling NATO's power. Europe's Cold War chessboard expanded with more tanks, looming missiles, and raised eyebrows. Number 4. On 14 May 1973, NASA hurled Skylab into orbit aboard a Saturn V. America's first space station offered cosmic experiments, freaky sunburns for astronauts, and plenty of microgravity hijinks. Number 3. On 14 May 1998, Seinfeld aired its finale in the US, culminating 9 seasons of comedic misanthropy, puffy shirts, and yada yadas. Fan reactions split between heartbreak, confusion, and leftover junior mints. Number 2. On 14 May 2013, Angelina Jolie revealed her preventive double mastectomy in a New York Times op-ed. Hollywood watchers were stunned, but her candor sparked widespread awareness about genetic cancer risks. Number 1. On 14 May 2022, a mass shooting at a Buffalo supermarket claimed 10 lives, jolting America once more with the reality of racial violence, fueling debates on gun laws and extremism. That's 14 May's swirling mix of epic voyages, comedic farewells, and groundbreaking medical leaps. If these tales fired up your curiosity, smash subscribe now and keep fueling our daily time travel spree. Tomorrow's date brims with cunning conspiracies, unsung heroes, and cosmic feats that might just unhinge your sense of the everyday. Ready to keep unraveling history's hidden corners? Buckle in.